Today, I am going to give you the 5 best side hustle ideas that can generate up to $2,000 per month. In this channel, you won't waste your valuable time, because our content is short and straight to the point. We don't talk about nonsense. The last side hustle is the best and easiest. Make sure to subscribe to us for more content about passive income. Number 1. Affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Affiliate marketing is where you promote products or services to your audience, and if they make a purchase, you will get a commission from that sale. It's not rocket science. It's a very simple concept. Let me explain the process briefly. First, you need to create accounts on ClickBank and Amazon Affiliate. Then you can get access to promote a lot of products and services. Then, you need to pick a niche. For example, fashion and beauty, health and fitness, home decor, and etc. After you select a niche, you need to find 10 to 20 products related to that niche and get the specific link to each product. Then go to Pinterest and create a business account. Then start to create pins about those products and post them on Pinterest with that specific link to the product destination. Keep promoting the products. Within a few weeks, you will see the results. Number 2. Print on demand with Shopify. This is like creating your own clothing brand. Let me explain the process briefly. First, you need to select a niche and target audience. As example, nature lovers, fishing lovers, mountain climbers, and etc. After that, you can build your Shopify store around that niche. Then you need to create some designs for your products related to the niche you selected. You can go to a print-on-demand platform like Printify or Printful and connect your Shopify store. These companies will manufacture your product, print your design, and ship it to your customers. Once you set up your store, you can start promoting your products. If you want to learn more about these topics, I have added links to in-depth videos in the description. Number 3. Starting a YouTube channel. This one is not that easy as it seems, because in order to succeed on YouTube, you need to be consistent and provide quality content. If you can do that, YouTube is one of the best platforms to make passive income. Number 4. Selling digital products on Etsy. If you are a graphic designer, this method would be really easy for you. Let me explain. You can create digital product templates like t-shirt designs, mock-ups, digital planners, menus, invitation card templates, and etc. Then you can sell those through Etsy. You don't need to have inventory. You don't need to put extra effort. Once you make a digital product, you can sell it to a lot of people. That's why this method is very simple and easy. Number 5. Selling your freelance services on Fiverr. This is the best method to make $2,000 per month. But I must say, this is not easy. Fiverr is the largest freelancing platform in the world if you have any specific skill, as example, graphic designing, video editing, article writing, vocal skills, coding, and etc. You can sell your services through Fiverr. If you don't have any specific skill, what you have to do is you can outsource that. Or if you have time, you can learn any specific skill and start your freelancing journey on Fiverr.